All right, traders. Hello, hello. This is Revan Wood. I go by Sage FT in the live trading desk. I am the founder and the head bozo, SageFT.com, live trading desk, Sage FT on YouTube. _Sage FT is all my socials. Oh my goodness, fam. We just had, as we're watching the rest of this, the stream is still running because we're testing the stream and record at the same time. And so what I said right over here was, can we go 100 points lower in the last 12 minutes? Okay. But what I also said was we could either, in the last, period of time, we could either go down 100 or up 200, right? They might make it to the down 100. And Joey, I'm going to give you props for the 111 call. You nailed it, buddy. There's your 111 for the second time. All right, let's take a look at today's price action. Let's check this out. Look at that, folks. There's, right? 6% down as we speak right this very, very second. Let's see what we're looking at. Look at that. We went right through these order blocks, folks. Oh, my goodness. Ooh. All right, so here's let's see. Let's put this into a video time capsule and let's see how this works. Why does it look like? Okay, I'm going to move this over. I'm going to leave this right here. Okay. Why does it look like they're about to go touch where it went into first position 15 months ago? Wow, they really are going for that 100 point. If they get under 5100, what is going to happen, folks? This could get nasty in the last few minutes. And then remember, once the market closes, it can do whatever it wants. It could go up 100, down 100 after the market closes. All right, so how did we play it today? Well, I want to be full disclosure. I remain in the sim all day long. I'm waiting for one more of my accounts to go live. And then I'm going to trade my accounts. I'm probably going to trade one at a time as I get used to the prop firm feel, right? I'll probably even trade some micros. Full disclosure. Has nothing to do with the integrity of the calls, right? And so Monday when I come back in, I will be trading live or in my PA accounts. I've got 3 of them. I've got Buell Knox, 25,000, Apex 50,000, and TPT 50,000. Now, the way that I'm going to work it is I'm in the very beginning, I'm not going to put them on the trade copier because I need to know what happens with each individual one of them, right? And then I want to remind everyone that there are the consistency clauses in our contract, right? And so that's what I'm going to be really focusing on. I want to remind everyone, in most prop firms, if you're greater than a -5 or +5%, you cannot trade in your actual PA or live accounts, only in the evals. The Band-Aid off of this thing. All right, so now what we have to do is we have to have the discussion of, now I'm going to be very clear, this is not a political discussion. This is not a political statement, okay? Now, this is not a political statement. This right here is what Powell couldn't do. Powell has the monetary tools, right? And because he's not going to be aggressive with the interest rates and the tools that he has, someone else had to do it. Now, again, this is not a political statement. This is just the person in power that can push the button, okay? Someone has to destroy the demand that's in the world. There's 2 root causes of inflation. Okay, the first one is there's too many dollars chasing too few goods. Okay, the second one is government crowding out. Okay, government crowding out. Those are the 2 ways, right? So now what's happening is now we're removing the crowding out, right? That's why I think it's so crazy that the left side of the aisle. Let me make sure you guys are seeing it this way. That's why I think it's so crazy that the left side of the aisle is so against the demand destruction. There's a term that I love, and it's called creative destructionism. From the ashes of one thing gives birth to another. It's unfortunate that this has to happen. But I want to remind you, the only reason that we're in this predicament is the loose monetary policy and the overspending on the fiscal side. There's no other way that this could have ever got there. Just think about your own personal finances. You can't be in this predicament if you didn't get that low interest rate credit card. It's not possible. Okay. So that's what you're seeing on the screen, right? That's what you're seeing on the screen. Okay. Now, if you look 15-minute, every time we came to the 20 simple on the 15-minute, look at how they just drip it, drip it, drip it, drip it, right? So the way that this worked is you wait for it to touch, and let's just talk about how it worked throughout the day, right? The way that it touched the 20 simple on the 15-minute, all you do is just drill into the 2-minute, okay? And you just go back and you say, oh, well, where was all these highs, and what do I see on something other than the 2-minute chart? Well, perfect. Okay, you go to the 15-minute, boom, 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 boom. So what you do is you wait for your 15-minute rollover. This is what I will be working on next week. Okay, 15-minute here. You look for this. So this would be a sell. You'll look for anything on your 2-minute. Okay, any overtake here after this happens. Again, same thing, right? Same thing. This one's a little crazy. You have to find a better place on the 2-minute. But see, what we do is we fractally wait for this to happen. Here's what I mean. We wait for it to go touch 20, price go back under 8. Okay, so then what that would look like on the 2-minute is, okay, exactly what you see here. Same thing. That's going to do it for me, folks. I am absolutely exhausted. Oh my goodness, what a crazy week. What a crazy week. I will see everyone for the Sunday night review and rev up. I'll have some more insights on what we're going to be looking at next. If you look at those of you that are new, go to the YouTube page, Live Trading Desk Sage FT, Live Trading Desk Sage FT, and I want you to go back and watch all the Sunday night videos. Okay, what you're going to see is we have absolutely nailed it. Absolutely. Just mwah, chef's kiss. That's going to do it for me. Good night to the stream. Good night, Moon. Good night recording. Good night review. See you guys.